I am going to draw a typical diagram over the board here. Concentrate over just here. So it's a circle, and each circle is divided into 4 segments. Each segment has one particular digit. It is 5, 4, 9, 9. Let's denote it at circle number 1. This is circle number 2 and this is circle number 3. Second circle has 4 digits, 6, 2, 2, 8. And the third circle has 3 digits, only one particular segment has no digit, which you have to find by putting your mathematical calculation. So it is 8, 3, 5 and question mark. You have to find which particular digit will replace this question mark to complete this logical series. Now it is a part of mathematical puzzle, or you can denote it as logic puzzle, okay, or number puzzle, whatever you want to tell it. So let's dive into the logic first. How to solve? Let's take the first diagram. So what is the actual relation between these 4 particular digits? Let's see as a divided segment, or you can say it as horizontally divided segment. So if you cut this circle horizontally and if you say it is a cut line, there are 2 flap of this circle appears. This is flap 1, F1, and denote it as flap 2, F2. Apply the same sort of logic in case of diagram number 2. This one is flap 1, flap 2, and also in case of this is a flap 1, flap 2. So from diagram number 1, subtract the numbers, okay. So top left corner and top right corner, subtract the digit of top right corner from the digit of top left corner. What we get? 5 is at top left corner, 4 is at top right corner, equal to 1. Now in case of, so it is in case of flap 1. Now in case of flap 2, so similarly top left corner, if we see it as top left corner digit and this 9 is a top right corner digit, so F1 into top left corner digit, that is 9, equal to top right corner digit. So F1 into 9 equal to 9. Similarly, apply this sort of logic in diagram number 2. So in case of diagram number 2, what we get in flap 1? We get flap 1 equal to 6 minus 2 equal to 4. And now F1 into, multiply this result as F1 with the top left corner digit in flap 2, that is F1 into 2 equal to 4 into 2 equal to 8. Apply same logic in diagram number 3. Now F1 is 8 minus 3 equal to 5, and F1 into 5 equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25. So question mark will be replaced by the number 25 to complete the mathematical series or to complete the diagram. So that's the logic. It's not easy to think, or it's not easy to derive actually. You will only be able to derive it successfully during your exam hours if we get such sort of questions, until and unless you have a huge round of practice. Okay, so the only key of success is practicing different sorts of such type of mathematical puzzles. You come across different books or different Facebook groups or whatever, or you can visit www.puzzledunia.com for more study materials and more such sort of logic puzzles for your help. So hope you have got it. I will bring some more interesting videos in my next video sessions. Till then, thank you from my end.